The Complete Guide to Deep Water Culture Hydroponic Systems. Introduction to Hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water to supply essential nutrients. This innovative technique is gaining popularity for its efficiency and higher productivity compared to traditional farming. A key method within hydroponics is deep water culture, DWC, offering a streamlined and effective way to grow plants in controlled environments. What is deep water culture hydroponics? DWC, submerging plant roots in oxygenated water. Direct access to nutrients speeds up plant growth. Low maintenance, highly efficient system. Suitable for leafy greens, herbs, and some fruits. How does deep water culture work? Reservoir holds water and nutrient solution. Air pump and air stone oxygenate the water. Continuous circulation prevents stagnation. Provides ideal conditions for root development. Essential equipment for DWC system. Reservoir holds the nutrient solution. Air pump and air stone ensures oxygenation. Net pots holds plants securely. Growing medium supports root structure. pH testing kit monitors water quality. Nutrient solution delivers essential elements for growth. Steps to setting up a DWC system. Clean and fill the reservoir with nutrient solution. Place the air pump and air stone to ensure oxygenation. Insert net pots into the reservoir lid. Monitor and adjust pH and nutrient levels regularly. Ensure proper spacing to avoid overcrowding. Maintaining nutrient levels and pH. Monitor nutrient levels with an EC meter. Maintain a balanced pH for nutrient absorption. Essential nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients. Regular adjustments ensure optimal plant growth. Preventing common issues. Oxygen deficiency, use quality air pumps and air stones. Root rot, ensure proper drainage and avoid overwatering. Nutrient deficiency, regularly check and adjust nutrient solutions. Pathogen prevention, use beneficial microbes for root health. Optimizing environmental conditions. Lighting, provide enough light for photosynthesis. Temperature, keep within the optimal range for plant growth. Humidity, ensure proper levels to support plant transpiration. Microclimate control, manage air circulation and root zone temperature. Pruning and training techniques. Pruning, shapes plant growth, improves nutrient use. Training, supports plants with trellising or stakes. Health benefits, reduces disease risk, improves air circulation. Focus on fruit development, prune for better yields. Harvesting tips. Visual signs, check for plant color, size, and maturity. Touch, feel for firmness and texture. Smell, ripe plants emit a strong aroma. Growth indicators, know when each plant is ready for harvest. Timing, harvest at peak ripeness for best flavor and nutrition. System cleaning and rejuvenation. Clean all parts after harvest to avoid algae and pathogen buildup. Rebalance pH and nutrients for the next planting. Inspect equipment like pumps, tubing, and air stones. Regular maintenance prolongs system longevity. Conclusion, benefits of deep water culture. Deep water culture, DWC, is a sustainable and efficient method of indoor gardening that promotes rapid plant growth and high yields. It is easy to maintain, requiring minimal water and space, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and serious gardeners alike. Thank you for watching. We hope this video on deep water culture hydroponics has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on sustainable and efficient indoor gardening. Happy growing!